Welcome to the Science of Lucky Stars, Part 1. Daytime. Ancient people name weekdays after 7 circles they see in the sky. Earth spins. Daylight is when we face the sun. Night is when we don't. Day names connect us to planets and more. Sunday. Sun. Can you guess? Sunday is named for the sun. Fusion sunshines power life on Earth. Our sun is so big, 1 million Earths would fit inside the sun. The Earth is smaller than a sunspot. The sun means life. It means to live my life to the fullest. Monday, moon. Monday is named for the moon. We see the moon's phases because of how the moon reflects the sun as the moon orbits the earth. So, moonbeams are just bounced sunbeams. The moon represents my mind and inner self. It means I am able to think for myself. Tuesday, Mars. Romans named this planet after their god of war, Mars. Mars looks bloody red. The red is really iron rust dust around Mars. The English named Tuesday after the Viking god of war, Till. Some people will one day soon live on Mars. Mars represents positive and negative actions. It means I can do good works. Wednesday, Mercury. This day is named after the planet closest to the sun, Mercury. The Roman Mercury is the messenger of the gods. Later, English Saxons renamed the day after their main god, named Woden. Planet Mercury is the fastest to orbit the sun. Mercury represents messages. It means that I communicate with my thoughts. Before we get to the next days, look at these. Between Mars and Jupiter is a ring of big rocks called asteroids. They were made when objects crashed together in the distant past. Now, back to our space and time history. Thursday, Jupiter. This is the biggest planet that circles our sun. The 7 other planets would all fit inside Jupiter. That's how big it is. Romans named this planet after their most powerful god, Jupiter. Later, Vikings in England named this day after their god of thunder, called Thor. You know, the guy from the movies? Thor's day became Thursday. Jupiter represents power, plenty, and abundance. It means that I can be generous. Friday, Venus. Venus is the hottest of our sun's planets. Romans named this bright planet after their goddess of love and beauty. Today, we know that Venus actually has poisonous clouds. In English, Friday is named after the Viking goddess Frigga. Venus and Frigga represents emotions, including love. It means that I feel and find ways to show it. Saturday, Saturn. Saturn is named after the Roman god of crops. He is Jupiter's dad. Saturn has thin but very wide rings. They are made of ice and rock bits. The rings are over 280,000 kilometers wide, but only 1 kilometer thin. The rings might be made by icy comets or asteroids that crash together. Saturn's strong gravity and fast spin keeps the rings in place. Saturn represents self-control. It means that I am responsible for myself. To close, from our space suburb, home world, we see 7 circles in the sky above. From the sun and moon to Saturn, our day names link us to the nearest planets. It reminds us of our place in space. Earth is but a light blue dot in vast dark, light-speckled multiverse. There are no nearby planets ready where humans can easily live. May we cherish our shared and fragile home planet, Earth.